Hello students, today we have seen in third chapter of OC. Next point, entrepreneurship development. So in this chapter we have seen in last lecture entrepreneur, what is mean by entrepreneur and characteristics and functions of entrepreneur, meaning and definition. In this session we have seen the entrepreneurship development, meaning characteristics of entrepreneurship. So what is the meaning of entrepreneurship? There is let us see that there is two types of entrepreneur. First is entrepreneur and second is entrepreneurship. So in this, entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of individual person or undertaken for maintain of organized profit by production and distribution of economic goods and services. So entrepreneurs is developed for distribution of economic goods and services. So this is the characteristics of entrepreneurship is that first is innovation means entrepreneurship is a innovation extraordinary, the introduction of new combination of production and factors of innovation in the entrepreneurship. There is a combination between the factors and production in the innovation type of entrepreneurship, and supply of raw material and open a new market for the specific product for changing taste of consumer from time to time. So entrepreneurship focus on the research and development to produce goods to satisfy the customers. So it is innovative for the entrepreneurship development system. So next point, economic activity. An economic produces a new product for the customer as per their needs. So in entrepreneurship businessman or development, the economic activity like as customers as per their goods, and he satisfy human wants as well as and exchange earn to better livelihood. That is the skill and knowledge of entrepreneur. Hence, the entrepreneur is an economic activity. Let's see what is that economic activity means. The entrepreneur planned activity as per their skill and knowledge of entrepreneurship. So it is develop the economic activity in that particular entrepreneurship. Next, organization building. It is an activity where various factors of production have to the organize place utility, time utility, form utility, etc. For example, place utility, time utility and form utility has to be considered to collect from them under one roof for new production, and it is an activity where various factors of production have to be organized, place utility, time utility and form utility, etc. Next 4 point, creative activity. Innovation should have a strong support of creativity. Introducing activity in producing something new is a big challenge for the entrepreneur. Thus, creativity as an essential part of entrepreneurship. So, innovative should have a strong support of creativity, introducing creativity in production as well as big challenges of entrepreneur. This creativity as a part of entrepreneurship. Next point, management, managerial skill and leadership. A person who wants to be successful entrepreneur should have more possession of doing something new from just earning profit. Leadership and managerial skill are the most important factors of entrepreneur. Other skill can be considered secondary. An entrepreneur must have the ability to manage itself. So managerial skill is also important factors for entrepreneur, and it is the most important. Leadership and managerial skill are most important factors in entrepreneurship development. So next point, skill management. The success of an entrepreneurship depends upon the management of organization. With professional management and skill managers, entrepreneurship becomes successful activity. The success of any entrepreneurship depends on the management of organization. With professional management and skill managers, entrepreneurship becomes successful activity. Next, 7 point, risk bearing. Uncertainty is defined as a risk which can be insured against incalculable. Entrepreneurship is an agent who buys factors of production at certain prices in order to combine them into a product. Then next point, gap filling function. The most significant feature of entrepreneurship is gap filling. It is the entrepreneur's job to fill the gap or make up the deficiencies which always exist in the knowledge about the production functions. There is a gap filling function of entrepreneurship between the job and make the deficiency in the knowledge and production function. Next point, process of entrepreneurship development. There is a two process of entrepreneurship development. First is training and second process is entrepreneurship development program, EDP. So first is a trading. What is a mean by it? Is also asked for 12 board exam and short note training. The traditional school of trading is a scheme of इंस्ट्रक्शन. क्या है? एक स्कीम है. क्या करती है? इंस्ट्रक्शंस, प्लान, सिस्टमैटिक, कंसिस्टेंट एंड measurement of effectiveness. It is the process and opportunities for an intelligent of experience within and outside an industry. It builds a necessary skill of your entrepreneurs. It imparts knowledge of marketing of goods, production methods, consumers education, etc. Trading is a exposes or export found an entrepreneur to latest development which can directly or indirectly affects them or him. With the help of training, there can be maximization of executive scrubs, defective outputs, and wastage in the production process. Trading helps to improve overall efficiency of entrepreneur. So next is a EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program. It includes following steps. What is mean by EDP? EDP is a device through which people entrepreneurship identify motivated to take up new industrial venture or marketing. So the EDP includes following steps. First is arrangement of infrastructure, selection of potential entrepreneur, identification of enterprise, actual trading program, selection of trading personnel, selection of method of trading, actual training, monitoring and follow up. So next, objective of EDP. The following objectives of EDP are identified to foster entrepreneurial growth in the country, optimum use of available resources, development of backward regions, and improving economic status of socially disadvantaged groups, general of employment opportunities. This is the objectives of EDP. You can write both 5 points. Then recent initiatives in entrepreneurship development. So recent, it is a meaning to start the define the entirety of that entrepreneurship development which less than 10 years ago of Mudra Bank scheme or Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. It is an initiative of government, Indian government, of provide microfinance, low interest rate and entrepreneurs from low economic backgrounds. This is the three most important points in entrepreneurship development program. So this is the simplification of handling, finding supports and industry. This is the 3 points of entrepreneurship development program. Then Startup India, this is the chart you have write down in your notebook. This is the very important chart. Stand Up India, bank branch and district lead district manager, SIDBI, NABARD. This is the various bank in is found in Indian ecosystem. Women Entrepreneur Association, district industrial centers. It is very important. Objectives of stand up system, nature of loan, purpose of loan and size of loan. That is the three factors. Interest rate, security, repayment, working capital, margin money. Then repayment, the loan repayment in 7 years with a maximum motivated period of 18 months. So agrotourism, meaning the small landholder are the most previous spot of agritourism is the idea of bringing urban residents to rural areas and or agriculture plant connected from the enjoyment of visitors that generates supplement income for the owner. Then agrotourism, Maharashtra, activities of agrotourism. Activities, outdoor recreation, educational experiences, entertainment, hospitality services, on farm direct sales. Entrepreneurs employ who authority and support for the company. Then definition and summary of entrepreneurship. Then functions of entrepreneur, characteristics entrepreneurship, and this is you can write down in your notebook summary. Thank you.